Good day, I'm Tamar McHale and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, August 25. Schools in drought-affected areas will be provided with adequate water supply in time for the new academic year.
We have made arrangements with the National Water Commission to provide water to the schools which have tanks. I am informed that the Ministry of Education has an allotment for the purchase of tanks for those schools which are going to need them but do not now have water storage.
The Education Minister made that announcement recently while speaking at the 51st Jamaica Teachers Association Conference in Montego Bay. Principals at affected institutions are being asked to contact the ministry's regional offices to ensure they are provided with water before the start of the school year. Parents are also being asked to assist by ensuring their children take drinking water with them when the new term begins. Still on education, 100 new scholarships and bursaries will be provided to teachers to pursue studies in mathematics and science.
It must be noted that this will include teachers who are already registered and in various institutions.
Mathematics and the sciences are being specifically targeted by the Education Ministry to improve student performances in these subjects. A high-density filing system will be installed at the Supreme Court's registry in the next 8 weeks. Justice Minister Senator Mark Golding has signed a $48 million contract with Keith Ryan and Company Limited to purchase and install the system. It was signed at the ministry last Thursday.
This is an important technological facility to support the activities of the registry, which, as I have said, is itself, the registry, a critical element in the efficiency of the business of the Supreme Court.
The system will be set up in the new Public North building in downtown Kingston. It's expected to increase storage capacity and reduce the time for retrieval and filing, immediately improving productivity while saving time and money on filing and refiling. Meanwhile, Justice Dennis Morrison has been appointed as acting president of the Court of Appeal. Justice Morrison replaces Justice Seymour Panton, who is on pre-retirement leave after serving the legal profession for some 30 years. At Monday's swearing-in ceremony, Governor General Sir Patrick Allen said high trust was being placed in Justice Morrison, that he would continue to uphold the principles and standards of the justice system.
His appointment is an expression of the trust and the confidence reposed in his ability to give outstanding leadership to the Court of Appeal at this time.
Also a Queen's Counsel, Justice Morrison's career saw him being appointed as judge of the Court of Appeal in Jamaica on May 1, 2008. He has also served as a judge of appeal in Belize and the Cayman Islands. Ralph Thomas is Jamaica's new ambassador to the United States. Thomas, who has been serving as the country's ambassador to China, replaces Stephen Vassiani, who demitted office on July 17. Ambassador Thomas is a former senior teaching fellow at the Mona School of Business and Management and a former vice president of the Bank for New York. Foreign Affairs Minister Senator A.J. Nicholson says he expects Ambassador Thomas to bring the same kind of critical thinking and creative energy to his new post as he did in Beijing. And finally, only emergency cases will be addressed at the Balaclava Health Center in St. Elizabeth for now. Construction work planned for the next 2 weeks has limited the services provided by the health center. People are being asked to utilize other health centers in the parish, such as the Aberdeen and Magotty Health Centers or the Santa Cruz Center of Excellence. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Tamar McHale. Thank you for watching.